everyone, it's Lana Botanica Bee. Welcome back to our series on tray design. Today's tray is the third in the series for our patriotic 4th of July displays. So join us for step-by-step instructions and how you can create this at home. Today's tray is this great little handled tray. It has all kinds of wood slats on the bottom and a little raffia that you could remove or leave on. And so I'm going to start out by adding a few flowers. It wouldn't be a Botanica Bee flower company without a few flowers. Today's flowers are hydrangeas. These cute little flowers are really nice and full. They have some foliage. We're going to start out just by placing them, by bending their stems and placing them in the bottom corner of our tray. And we'll probably move these around quite a bit, so I'm just going to get them kind of where I want them. The second one I'm going to bend just kind of like a U, so it props it up a little bit. And I'm actually going to take a leaf and wrap it around the inside of the handle and kind of give it a twist, and just to get him to be off to the side a little bit. Okay. The next thing we're going to add is this really cute 4th of July placemat. We have a paisley print on one side, it's all quilted, and this blue and cream print on the back. It has cute little scallops, and I thought it would be fun if we just folded it in half, kind of match the scallops, and cover up those stems, and just kind of drape it off the side and put it in the back. This design is going to be one-sided, so it would be great for an entryway or maybe on a counter or a place where we wouldn't see the back. The star of the show is this patriotic plate. It's so cute. It has a little flag that is hand-drawn in the middle, and then of course this beautiful blue rim. And the blue rim is the really pretty summer blue and not necessarily flag blue, so that's why it'll go nice and pull in with these blue hydrangeas. I'm going to nestle this right down in the middle here, kind of in behind the hydrangea and right on top of this little placemat. Okay, so that's looking good. The next item that we're going to add is this little boxwood orb. These orbs are very, very popular. He's great. He has a flat bottom. They're really made to set on top of a candlestick. If you have a wide candlestick, this is a great topper, or on a vase. We're going to use it in our tray. I'm actually going to bring it in from the back and kind of just push it into the front, and then kind of work it around with that tray, or with the plate, so that it kind of all melds together. And this will kind of help hold that plate in place also. The next item that we're going to add are these wood beads. You may already have some beads. They would not have to be wood colored. I thought the wood would be cute to accent all of this white on the plate. And I'm just going to drape these throughout this design. I'm going to let it come off the ends just a little bit in front of the plate and throughout the hydrangea. Next thing we're going to add is this Calyan Wax Company candle. This one is amber and oak moss, and it smells so good. It's in this really cute blue glass container, and it's just the right size to nestle right up over here on the corner. And we'll just wrap these beads right around him and make him part of that design. Now, I would not burn him up there. I would probably put it on flat surface, but it really looks cute just to store it up there, and kind of balances out some of the blue. The next thing we're going to add is this cute little vase. Maybe you have a blue vase at home, or an item that has blue or cream or red that you would like to add, that maybe is a heritage piece or a piece inherited from your grandfather or grandmother, or something you like to use every 4th of July. But I'm going to put this little vase right over here and kind of just extend the design so it kind of curves around. The last thing we're going to add is this cute little freedom ornament. I love this little guy, and I'm just going to put him right there just to kind of bring that pattern over, put a little pattern over here. Well, that wraps up this design. Thank you for staying to the end. If you're interested in having this kit and designing this one at your home, then check out the botanicabeeco.com in the link below in the video, and you can shop any of the pieces or the whole kit and caboodle. Thank you so much. I hope to see you at the beach.